Getting to know Relay UK, the app that helps anyone with hearing and speech difficulties communicate by phone. This video describes how to answer a call when you've set your Relay communication preference to typing and reading. But if you have chosen another preference, the steps are almost the same. To join an incoming call on the Relay UK app, the app must be linked to the phone number the call is coming into. If you've not linked this number yet, take a look at our Understanding Your App Settings animation for help doing this. When you have an incoming call, open the Relay UK app on your phone. If already open, make sure the connection status icon at the top of the screen is showing you are connected. If it is unfilled, dark, try tapping the circular icon to reconnect. It will show white in the circle once connected. The app will then show a notification asking if you wish to join the call, so tap on Join. Once you've joined the call, Relay UK Connected Text to Voice will appear on the screen, and the Relay UK assistant will join the call, ready to begin the conversation. Just read what the other person is saying in the app window, then type what you want to say in reply. Or, if you have set your preference to speaking and reading, you can speak your part of the conversation into your phone and read the replies in the app. Or, if you're set to type and hear, type your words and listen to what's being said in reply. You will have selected your communication preference when you set up the app, but you can change this at any time before you answer a call under Settings if you want to. You can also communicate text-to-text if the person calling you is using the Relay UK app as well. You're now ready to become part of the conversation. Visit our website for more step-by-step explainer videos.